We have this Duke's fuel pump here. This is an electric fuel pump. This is on a Columbia 400, and this pump serves 3 purposes, and it does the same on many aircraft. But what it does is your primer for engine start. It's your full-on backup fuel pump, so it can make full fuel flow and save you in the event of an engine-driven fuel pump loss. But it's also your low-speed pump, which helps you prevent vapor lock. Now, Duke's is no longer in existence, right? There are a lot of companies that will overhaul these pumps, but a common failure mode on these is you have this weep hole that goes to the bottom of the pump, and you'll start to see these leak and they'll develop a blue stain. So when you're up there looking in your pre-flight, and if you start to see a blue stain there, that's leaking and it's time to throw this out. I believe they're recommended to be overhauled every 10 years. It might be 12, but I think it's 10 years. We don't overhaul these. We recommend Weldon pumps. Weldon is a phenomenal pump. They've been making fuel pumps or fluid pumps since the 40s. They're out of Cleveland, Ohio. They have a PMA replacement for just about everything that Duke's makes. They're less expensive. A new Weldon is typically less expensive than a overhauled Duke's. We've got easy cross-reference on our website to figure out what you need. They're OEM on the Cirrus now. They're OEM on the Cessna. It's a phenomenal pump. So they like to say, get the red out and put a blue Weldon in.